Well, the windows are really the eye to your home, so when it comes to remodeling, selecting a window that's perfect for your aesthetic is really key. So I've come to a job site today with Steve Welsh of Best Value Glass,
Morning.
where this home is getting a whole transformation, but the windows are really one of the homeowner's most important features. So can you tell me about what they selected?
Well, this is a whole home remodel. The entire home's being remodeled. It was actually a burnout, and so he wanted an aluminum look on the outside, a traditional look, and on the inside he wanted wood. So we're doing a gel-win aluminum window on the aluminum clad on the outside, and the inside's all wood.
So let's talk about what modern benefits are coming with that, because traditionally aluminum and wood are kind of dated materials for windows, but you can get them now in the modern technology and get the beautiful look that you want.
That's exactly right. They are a little bit dated, but we can, with the package that we have, we're getting them the sound. The sound is going to be just, it's quiet here anyway, but they'll never hear anything.
So sound dampening is really what it
Sound
is. It's not going to
dampening.
transfer through the window from the street.
Right. And then energy efficiency. So we're still going to get the dual pane window with the low E glass that keeps the heat out and the cold in.
So what is it, working with these other trades, this whole, really, we can see the inside of the house is gutted right now. You said it's a burnout. We're working on everything here. How do the windows play into the rest of the remodel?
So we are one of the first ones to come in. They do the framing, and then we come in and flash the windows, and you'll see some of the pictures, and then we put the window in, and the flashing is to protect it from water infiltration. And so then we're going to button up the house. This week we'll have it buttoned up, and then they can start working on other parts, the inside of the house, start doing the stucco and closing it up.
And of course,
because right now it's very open.
It's very open, but you're working with Murray Lampert Design Build Remodel. Of course, Greg Cantor, our resident expert on the show. You guys have a very great working relationship. That's kind of the benefit of working with approved home pros. They all know each other. Other great contractors know the other great contractors.
Yeah, we're doing this job for Murray Lampert, and we do a lot of work for them, and we'll be doing everything in the house also. We'll be doing the shower doors, the mirrors, glass in the kitchen. So we'll be a full service for them on the glass side.
Thank you so much, Steve. So no matter what window or glass needs you have for windows, showers, glass enclosures, Best Value Glass has you covered. You can find more information at ApprovedHomePros.com.